The Squeaks and Rattles Kit is used by automotive professionals around the world to eliminate unwanted interior trim noise. Let's have a look at what's in the kit. First we have the instruction insert. And then we've got applicator cloth and bunny tails. And now on to the products. First we have the 40ml felt pen of AFC 602. Then we have the 40ml felt pen of AFC F27. The 50ml pump spray of AFC 612. The 50g jar of AFC PEOX. The 30ml wiper pen of AFC PEOX TF. And the 30g tube of DG74L damping grease. And then we have the felt foam and tape pack. Focusing on the felt foam and tape pack, we've got 3 different thicknesses of automotive felt, 2 different thicknesses of Nitto foam, 1 thickness of PVC foam and 1 thickness of PTFE tape. All the sheets have a self-adhesive backing, so the end user can simply cut to size and apply.